In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com as a CRM. Monday.com is a versatile platform that can be customized for various business needs. And today, we'll focus on setting it up as a customer relationship management tool. First, let's get started by signing in to Monday.com. If you haven't already created an account, make sure you register for one at their official website. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main dashboard, which hosts all of your workspaces and boards. Now, the first step is to create a new workspace dedicated to your sales or CRM activities. A workspace is essentially a dedicated area within Monday.com where all related boards and tasks are organized. It's important to have a separate workspace for your CRM activities to keep everything streamlined and organized. Go ahead and click on Create Workspace, and make sure to name it something easily identifiable like Sales CRM or Customer Management. With your workspace ready, we'll move on to creating a new board. To do this, click on Plus New Board. The board is where your CRM magic will happen. Here, you'll be able to track all your customer interactions and sales processes. After clicking to create a new board, you'll be prompted to select a template. Choose the CRM template provided by Monday.com. This template includes preset columns and layouts that are ideal for CRM use. Give your board a name that reflects its purpose, such as Sales Pipeline or Customer Database. It's time to start adding your contacts and deals. In your new board, you'll have columns where you can input your contact names, deal stages, expected closing dates, and any other critical information. Having all this information centralized helps maintain a clear view of your CRM activities. To streamline your processes further, let's look into automating your CRM workflow. Monday.com offers a variety of automation options that can save you a significant amount of time. For example, you can set up automatic reminders for follow-ups or automate status changes when certain conditions are met. Take some time to explore the automation options and choose those that will enhance your workflow. As your deals progress, switch between views to monitor them effectively. Monday.com allows you to visualize your board differently, such as Kanban or timeline views, to help you manage deals more efficiently. Each view offers a unique perspective and can give you a clearer overview of your progress. Collaboration is key in CRM, so make sure to comment on items to communicate effectively with team members. Use the comment feature to ask questions, provide updates, or discuss strategy, keeping everyone on the same page. To measure team performance, utilize dashboards within Monday.com. These dashboards can provide insights into how your team is performing, showing metrics such as closed deals versus targets and lead conversion rates. Finally, it's crucial to regularly update lead status and deal values to ensure your CRM data is accurate and up to date. Doing this will help maintain the integrity of your sales data and aid in making informed business decisions. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Monday.com as a CRM. Thanks for watching.